Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 7th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So anyways, the Aussie dollar is drifting down pretty decent since last night's Asian session. Now, unless we take out this low right here, we have to realize we are definitely still in an uptrend. If we go up to the daily time frame, it's pretty easy to see that this is 100% an uptrend. There's no reason this has to stop here. I mean, there's really nothing stopping this thing from continuing up, making higher highs, higher lows. Today is US interest rate news, which is a very big news event. And I will be live streaming on YouTube for that news event, so make sure you stop in and check out my live stream so that way you can get the latest updates on all your favorite pairs. But anyways, on the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move up right here. I would be paying very close attention to my fib levels. If we get like a nice engulfing move to the upside at one of these fib levels, I would definitely take it as a long because the higher time frame trend is up. On the other hand, if price goes down and takes out this low and holds below that low, then that would turn me into a seller, and I definitely would start looking for shorts after the break of structure and after the pullback that came after the break of structure. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.